Hello children, welcome back to English online class. Take out your English textbook and open page number 14. Page number 14, poem The Rainbow. This poem I have explained in my live online class. So again I am revising this poem. Who is the writer of this poem, The Rainbow? Christina Rossetti. She wrote a variety of poems and she wrote children's poem, devotional and romantic poems. Now uh, see here, look at the picture of the rainbow. This is rainbow picture and identify the colors. You have to identify the colors. Okay, indigo, violet, green, yellow, orange, red. These are the colors of rainbow. Now let us read the poem The Rainbow. Boat sail in the river. Boats sail in the river. Boats sail in the rivers, and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. Again, I'll read. Boats sail in the rivers, and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than this. Means boat and ship, boat sail in the river. Okay, and it is beautiful. Ship also sailing in the sea, it looks beautiful. But clouds that sail across the sky, clouds with that sail across the sky are prettier far than this. Means cloud is more beautiful than boat and ship. Okay, so cloud is a natural thing and boat, ship, both are man-made things. How much we can decorate or do designs and whatever it is, but the cloud, which is natural thing, is prettier. It means it's more beautiful than boat and ship. Now come to next paragraph. There are bridges on the river. So bridges, again, it is man-made. Okay, there are bridges on the river, as pretty as you please. So bridges you can make, how much nice or beautiful bridges you can make. But the bow that bridges heaven, here bow means this rainbow, the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the tree, overtops the tree. Okay, uh, and build a road from earth to sky, and is build a road from earth to sky, is prettier far than this. Means that rainbow is more beautiful than the bridge on the river. Okay, bridges are there, many bridges are there, they are beautiful and they are made also, but rainbow is more prettier than this bridge. Okay, now once and this poem is written by Christina Rossetti. She was an English poet. She wrote children's poem and devotional poem also. She wrote many poems. She wrote. Again, I'll read this poem. Boat sail in the rivers and ship sail on the seas, but clouds that sail across the sky are prettier far than these. There are bridges on the river as pretty as you please, but the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the tree and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than this. So children, this poem you have to by heart. Okay, I am going to listen in my live online class. Now come to page number 15. Here word meaning they have given. Glossary. Sail. Sail means travel in a boat or ship. Sail means travel in a boat or ship. Bow. Something that is in the shape of the letter U. Bridge means connect. Overtop means rise above. Now answer the following question. Boat, ship and clouds are all pretty. Which is the prettiest among them? Here cloud. Tick mark put here. C1 is correct option. What does the bow do? Builds a road from the earth to sky. Yes, it is true. Bridges heaven and earth. These both are true. So put C option correct one. What is much prettier than the bridge on the river? A rainbow that bridges heaven and earth. Yes. Boat that sail on the river, ship that sail on the sea. First option is the correct. The rainbow that bridges heaven and earth, heaven and earth. So it is much prettier. Now, question number 4. In the second stanza of this poem, what does the poet compare the rainbow to? The poet compared the rainbow with the bridge. Okay. Now, find the word in the poem that rhyme with seas. Seas rhyming word: these, trees, then please. Okay. Now turn the page. Question number 4. Have you seen a rainbow? Yes. What are the different colors we find in a rainbow? That is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Now expand the following letters to get the names of the colors in a rainbow. So this is V for violet. Violet. You have already done, children, in notebook. I, indigo. B, blue. G, green. Y, yellow. O, orange. R, red. So children, hope you have enjoyed the poem and you must complete your classwork. Okay. Now, thank you children.